Hey guys, it's Melissa with MaverickRx. I'm here today with another HIIT workout. We are going to use the jump rope, and I have a resistance band, okay? Simple workout. I need you to set your timers for 20 seconds of rest and 40 seconds of work, okay? Go ahead, number one, click subscribe, and then let's grab water and get to it. Okay, so as always, I like to set my timer up so that my 20 seconds of rest starts and gets me ready. I'm going to start with jump rope, then we have squats and bridges. Jump rope, squats, bridges. That's your first three movements. Here we go. Let's see if I can jump rope today without tripping. So I've got my shoulders relaxed away from my ears, nice long spine, and my core is engaged. You can jump rope however you'd like. If you want to do a high knee or a butt kicker, it's up to you. We just have 2 sets of jump rope today. "20 seconds of rest. All right, you're going to step wide. Bring your resistance band straight up. Have a seat and then lift. Down and up. Remember, you're heading that booty back. Knees stay behind the toes, chest is up. Engage through your core all the way down and lift. Ten more seconds, and we have our skaters next. Oh, rest. Went over a little bit on that. So your skater can be as big as you want or as small as you want. Here we go. Jump, touch, jump, touch. Now, remember, you don't have to jump. You don't even have to touch, right? You can do the movement higher up. I want you to try to think about keeping your chest up, eyes up. Don't look down. When you start to look down, you start to load your low back, okay? Keep it up. 10 seconds. Two, one. We have a bridge next. Oh boy. So we're coming down to the mat. After the bridge, we have butt kickers. Here we go. Lift, squeeze your glutes, and lower. Nice flat back. Pick it up and put it down. Up and down. When you come to the top, squeeze. Engage your glutes. Think apples, not applesauce. Right, Katie? Up and down. 20 seconds. Our next movement is a butt kicker. So you're coming back up. Grab that water if you need it, anytime. Your butt kicker can be right here, right? Keep your knee down, kick that booty. Or you can jog it. I want you to think about keeping a nice long neck, shoulders relaxed. Don't get your shoulders up here. Relax them, pump those arms. Our next movement will be the bicep. With some balance. Now, if you're not yet doing balance work, I really recommend you start adding it, guys. Shoot me a note. Answer the question right here above me. Do you do balance work? Let me know. So you're going to stand on the band with one foot, bicep curl. Notice, see, my balance is a little off. Soft knee and bicep curl. If you want to challenge your balance while you're doing it, bring that knee in front. Keep your elbow down, right? Don't raise it up here. Keep it right down, right by your side. Yeah. 3 seconds. 2. Very good. 20 seconds. You got to do the other side. You need 2 biceps that match, right? So switch to the other side. Whew. I taught this morning, and so my biceps are a little sore already, which is good. Whoop. Get that balance. And then here we go. Curl. Remember, what are you thinking about here? Your posture, right? Ears above the shoulders, shoulders above the hips. I know my camera gal, she's standing up nice and tall. Oh, yeah. Really good posture for Rhonda back there, guys. Whoa. Want to remember, challenge it. Bring that knee up in front. Hold it. Nice. Keep a nice straight wrist. Don't break that wrist. Relax your shoulders. 3 seconds, and then we move on. Whew, nice job. Okay, we're moving on to triceps. So you're gonna set down your band. We're coming to the ground for a tricep push-up, okay? So I'd like you to bring yourself all the way to the mat, feet in the air, elbows are going back. You look like a cricket, okay? Press all the way up, and then slowly lower your body in that plank down, and then come on up. Now, while you're here, let's talk about working your glutes as well. Elbows are going back to the feet. Squeeze your butt. You have got to engage your glutes. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Your butt is tight, 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 tight. Nice job. All right, nice job on those tricep push-ups. Next up, we have high knees. Okay, you have 10 seconds more here in your recovery. Whew. Here we go. Remember, you have levels on your high knee. You can start right out of the gate. Just bring that knee up toward your waist. When I first started doing high knees, I would move around. I didn't like doing it in one place. Right, here is your moderate to low intensity version of a high knee. If you want to take it to a high intensity knee, get them up. Soft land on the ball of your foot. 10 seconds. It's Omar. Oh, recover. All right, the last movement today is a kick, okay? So you're gonna stand the width of your mat, right? Half in front, half behind. Kick that right foot up in front, hinge forward at your hip, extend behind you. Put that foot down. Left foot kicks in front, hinge forward at your hip, trigger balance, kick behind you. Notice I am not popping my toe. Lift the knee, push with the heel. Push with the heel back down. Push, 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 push. Good. Come on, keep going. One more. Nice work. All right, guys, you made it through HIIT today. We had 11 minutes of fitness for you. I need you to hit play twice. Do it 2 times. If you've been working out with us for almost a year, you're on 3 rounds, guys. You got this. Please remember, share your videos with your like-minded friends, people who need some fitness in their lives for free, and click subscribe. Have a great day.